In this video, I'll show you how to set up an announcement banner in Google Sites so you can promote any activity, offer, update, or important message on your website. So let's begin. This is how the Google site looks in editor mode. Now, if you want to display a banner above the navigation menu, we need to open the site settings first. For that, go to the top bar and click on the small settings gear icon. A pop-up window will appear on the screen. From here, click on the Announcement Banner option. Now, on the right side, you'll see all the settings used to customize the banner. First, turn on the toggle button to make the announcement banner visible on the website. Next, you can choose the background color for the banner, depending on the style or theme of your Google site. Below that, enter the message you want to display on the banner. This can be anything like a promotion, an update, an event message, or a contact notice. Next, you can add button text. For example, you can type something like "click here," "learn more," or "contact us." After that, we need to set up the link for the button. You can either add an external website URL or link the button to another page inside your Google site. And here, if this option is selected, the link will open in a new page or tab when someone clicks the button. Next, you can choose where the announcement banner should appear. You can display it across all pages of the website or only on the home page. Once everything is ready, we just need to publish the site to save the changes. And done. The announcement banner is now visible on the Google site, and the button link is working exactly the way we set it up. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.